Hello friends, welcome back to bsptrainings.com. My name is Sumit and I'm going to demonstrate you how to plot the geospatial data on Google Map using R. So as you know that visualization plays a very important role in data analysis, and by using various visualization tools we can make our analysis from good to excellent or from good to wow. We can present the data in an excellent way. So now, the plotting the geospatial data are on map always been a very hot topic. Basically, the people they tend to use different methods and thereby get different sort of visualization. And I will be going to demonstrate you a method through which you can plot your data on Google Map, which empowers you with the functionality of Google Maps as well. So my requirement is that I have got a data set and I would like to place my data set on a Google map. So my final outcome should be something like this. So first of all, let's have a look at the data. So I have got a data set. Let's suppose I'm performing in different regions or different part of the globe. So I have collected the data, that what's the country name and what are the city name and what's the location. In location, basically it's a combination of latitude and longitude. So I have got the data set, this data set, and I'm going to place this data set by on a Google map by using R programming. So to plot this latitude and longitude on a Google map, we need to download and install. We need to install a package in R, and the name of that package is Google Viz. So let's start plotting the data on a Google map. So first of all, I look for a package and the package name is Google Viz. So if you have already installed the package, that would be good. If you haven't done, you need to look for the package and click on install. So as you can see, I'm getting a message that it's already installed. So I don't want to update it because it's already working perfectly fine. I have already installed that package and the package has been installed now. So now I create one object here. I create a new object and I write NUC data 1 NUC data 1 and it will read .csv formatted file because the data set which I'm using, this is in a that's a CSV formatted file, and the location of this file is on my D drive. It's on my D drive and data 1 on your temporary folder in name as data 1. So I'll specify here read.csv and location D drive temp and data1.csv. The next command, I need to extract the locations because the location contains the latitude and longitude. So I'll specify here new NUC data1 dollar. And okay, so first we need to run it so that the data will get loaded. So we have 25 objects of 3 variables, and now when I write dollar location, I will be getting the values. So location, and I use GSUB, and this function, it will be basically extract only the locations. This is for September. So question comma and so basically this will be extracting the location and it will be adding so instead of comma, so you see here we have comma here, so this will replace this comma along with the semicolon. So I'm replacing this with semicolon, colon basically, not semicolon, colon, and NUC data 1 dollar location, and I execute it. So now when we run it, you can see the comma has been replaced with the semicolon. So when I first load it, I'll just show you again. When I first load it, we have got the comma, and when I execute the second statement, when I run this command, this has been transformed, the comma has been replaced with the colon. Now I require a package, so I'll write here require, and I need the package Google Viz so that we can It will import the functionality of Google Viz in the current application, the current program. I need to extract the places names. The places name is basically the name of the cities. So I write here place names and as dot character, and it will extract NUC data one dollar cities. And so in this places names we have New Delhi, Mumbai, and all the cities. The next statement, I'm going to plot the data. So I write here plot data, plot data, and data dot frame, because plotting it on the chart on a Google map, it should need it. We need to convert into a data frame. So I write here name is equal to place names, comma latitude, let, and longitude is equal to I unlist, and you see, let me run it again. So names is equal to place names, comma LAT latitude longitude is equal to unlist. I'm unlisting, and you see data one dollar location, and we need to close two brackets. And now when I run it, so that plot has been, we have got plot data, and the data has plot, we extracted only the name and the latitude and longitude. So only the name and latitude and longitude stored in that data frame. So if we run the class, if you want to find out, because it's a data frame, because the data from the data frame, it's easy to place on the chart. The next statement, I create sites. I look for the sites, and map GVIS map plot data, comma location where it column names of the data with the geolocations to be analyzed. So location names is equal to latitude longitude, comma tip where column names of the data with the string text displays over the tip icon. Whenever we take our pointer on the tip on a Google map, it will display the name of that particular city. So I want to display in this, I want to show names, or the name is stored in the name. So I want to display name, and comma, then options is equal to, we need to actual place the list. So list display mode equal to, display mode is equal to markers. So markers, or in, so like as if I explain you the markers in the form of this marker, so it will display the markers here, and comma, so the map type is equal to, map type will be normal type will be this type. We have normal type and we have a satellite type. You can see we have two options, normal and satellite type. So I want to display normal type, and the color axis, I set the color axis as color axis is equal to double quotes and colors colon red, comma gray. And also after this color dot, and I need to specify one more statement, and I write here the use map type control is equal to true, comma enable scroll wheel is equal to true. So I said I enable the scroll wheel as well, so that the user can whenever the user scroll the mouse pointer over the chart over the Google map, it will change the position. And finally, I plot these sites on the Google map. So now let's test it. So I select all of them again and click on run. So if any error occur, it will throw the error. And you see, finally I have got the output as desired. So a Google map has been loaded, and all the data points which are available in this, the 25 data points, you can see all the 25 data points on the chart. And this, because we have set here enable scrollable is equal or scroll wheel is equal to true, so due to that, whenever I scrolling my pointer on the chart, I can scroll up or scroll down as required. And when I take my pointer on any of the icon, it will display me the name of the city, Mumbai. Although there are some points, I mean there are some variations into it, because it depends on the latitude and longitude, so you have to specify the correct latitude and longitude to work on it. So that's all in this video. If you have any queries, you can write to us on www.bsptrainings.com. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos on ARM programming. You can contact to us for the customized training on R programming with R programming data visualization with R. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.